time to view this video. My name is Roger Stefanis. I am 25 years old, originally from Cyprus and now living and working in Burnley, UK. After graduating from my physics degree from Lancaster University, I was employed by a local logistics company as a new business developer. During my time at this company, I used my IT knowledge to manage the company's IT resources. Soon the word got out and local companies started calling and asking for IT support. I would travel to local offices to help with any IT maintenance or problems. And to reduce my traveling time, I started using RDPs, or remote desktop protocols, for servicing software remotely. Unfortunately, it soon became obvious that servicing software remotely was easy, but hardware wasn't. So I thought, why don't I reverse the system? Instead of having hardware in the user's office and maintain the software remotely, why don't I keep the hardware in-house and allow the user to work remotely? That would allow me to have access to the hardware at all times, but would also require changing some of the existing hardware, which meant extra costs. But then, a light bulb moment happened. Why have the hardware at all? There's been a shift in the global working culture. Workspaces are no longer considered as a single physical location, and this change has only been accelerated by the global pandemic. Put simply, businesses require flexibility of working. In the service office market, there's been a 10.5% annual increase of flex spaces since 2015. Today, 85% of independent landlords' offices, that's 3.5 million offices, are flex spaces. However, there's still a gap that flex spaces have not covered. Due to the nature of constant desk swapping, PC hardware cannot be provided. Therefore, businesses are forced to either provide portable equipment to their employees or allow them to use personal devices, and that causes IT, management and security problems, as well as increased capital costs. Today's users and businesses want to have access to all their data, all their programs, and be able to manage all their devices instantly from anywhere in the world. And that is where the two stories meet. Augment PUI is a user-friendly, cloud-based platform that provides on-demand access to cloud computers and completely replaces the need for purchasing PC hardware. Imagine walking up to any flex space without any equipment. Place your phone on a charging station and the screen comes to life and becomes your own computer. Then you pick up your phone and move to the next office, flex space, meeting room, or even when you're working remotely, you can have access to your cloud PC, data and programs from anywhere, as well as unlimited processing and graphical power without having to purchase thousands of pounds of PC hardware. By using Augment PUI, businesses can save up to 80% of the cost of buying new computer systems. They can have access to high-end computing and be able to achieve flexible remote working and have 99.9% uptime and support. By investigating this idea, the team started to grow organically. Today, it consists of myself as a project manager and communications representative, a business and marketing developer, a cybersecurity engineer, and a full-stack software developer. Through the team's passionate work, we were able to enter and win competitions from Lancaster University, Santander Universities, and Innovate UK. Through these awards, we're able to conduct market research, refine our value proposition and validate our technology, and create a realistic and strong route to market and sales strategy. Additionally, a prototype of PUI's low-latency streaming server is currently being developed in collaboration with Lancaster University. And that brings us to today. If successful, the Enterprise Fellowship Award will provide access to mentoring and business support infrastructure, which will allow us to design an effective product development plan in alignment with our current business plan to roll out Augment PUI to the market within the next 12-month period. By receiving this award, we hope to receive a combination of business and software design support that will allow us to not only produce a system architecture that is secure by design, which will accelerate the development, not only be able to produce a technical design that can be used for securing our IP, but also to refine and optimize the system's commercialization plan. Additionally, we will be given the opportunity to network with other people from the industry and possibly meet potential collaborators, investors, or possible future customers. Growing up, I was always inspired by tech innovators and how they can shape the future. By receiving the Enterprise Fellowship Award, I hope to continue pursuing my passion of creating innovative and sustainable ways through which people can interact and develop through technology.